Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to stream your custom doortuning.ymt or .meta to your FiveM server. I see people actually asking a lot about how to increase automatic door open range, especially for garage door, right? And I was struggling to find the info myself, so I decided to make this video, and some things, trust me, are not that trivial. So I assume you already have your custom door created. In my case, I created this door called tutorial door 01. In case you have no idea how to create a custom door, I will leave a tutorial made by Decurvinator. Shout out to him, as it explains it a lot. Actually it's just a model with an embedded collision and a bone and some flags, of course. And here is a tutorial for aiding and actual sound and audio for your custom door. And in my streaming folder I actually have few files, these two. You don't have to look at them because those files answer for the sound, so they're here but they're not needed for the topic of this video. It's under the scope of the video. So firstly, let's find our doortuning.ymt. It's actually YMT and not meta. Meta is not used as far as I know. You have to use YMT, so you search for doortuning.ymt. It's not like it don't used anymore in multiplayer. And here you open file location, and unfortunately some things are not that easy here. So if you try to convert this to XML, and it has been discussed various times in Codewalker Discord, shout out to Dexifex. You can download the latest Codewalker version under releases. And the problem is, if you convert it to XML, change some stuff and import it back to make it YMT, it's actually gonna break. So when you stream this file, it will crash the server. It is a known issue, and in order to prevent that, you will actually find a zip folder, 7-zip folder. In Codewalker, use a search option and type updated PSO, and you will find a dev90 message, and it has all PSO, like it is a PSO export for the decrypted files that you're gonna use. Don't even get into it, like that's what you want, that's what you need, trust me. You download it. In case this message will gone one day, you can message me or here type some secure in Codewalker and you will get a new link. So you open it, you go to PSO export. So yeah, it's not that trivial, as I said. And here, and trust me, it is needed, there's no other way. I've tried various times. We go to that path, so inside PSO export, update, you go to this update RPF, then it's x64 levels, and inside you have your GTA5. doortuning.ymt is exactly what we want. So we drag and drop it into our streaming folder, and the next file you're gonna need and we're gonna use is gta5.meta. It is crucial here as well. You go to file location and drag and drop it, gta5.meta, it's right here. You drag and drop it to same destination. We're not gonna need any of those anymore. And here you would have to modify the path, something we already have done in Water XML. So you Control F to use the search function, and you search for door, and at the end you're gonna have your door tuning. You might not have it if you use some other way, if you found other way, so you would have to edit this thing, door tuning file. But you will probably have it, and we will have to modify the path to our FiveM servers. So it's resources, and in my case it's garbage folder. In your case it can be whatever, right? So once again, resources, garbage, and that's where I have my door tuning. So the last thing you're gonna have to do is inside your fx manifest.lua, you're gonna have to announce some stuff. So under files, you're gonna have to like do the usual thing like meta This is for sound, you don't need it, and this is for editing door range or speed. The place level meta is needed for your 3d5.meta file, and this is for audio as well. This is usual stuff. So let's actually go into editing. In my case, I took Benny's door as clear example because it's the first garage door that comes to my mind. What you're gonna have to do is copy the door's model's name, and inside your doortuning.ymt you're gonna have to use Ctrl F, search it, and here from item to item you're gonna have to announce your model because obviously it's not in vanilla files. So model name, you replace it with your model name. In my case, as I already told you, it's tutorial door 01. And we see that the tuning name, which is basically the code that answers for parameters that we want to edit, so open range and speed. So you copy this and you search it, you find it, and if we change these parameters, we will change it for the Benny's door as well, and that's not what we want. What we want is making add-ons. So we copy it from item to item, paste it, and we change the name of Supermod Garage to something that's not in game already. So let's name it custom door range, for example. And these two parameters is exactly what you want. So auto open radius is open door range. Let's make it 7 in order for us to understand in game that it actually works. And auto open rate is opening speed. So let's make it 3.5 times faster. And the last thing you're gonna do, we created new tuning parameter. We copy it, you go back to your model and replace the previous tuning name to your custom created one. You save it, then let's launch our game and see if the changes actually took place. Once we are in game, let's approach our door from afar, and we see that it opens much faster and from further distance. So that's the end of the video. If you have further questions, you can join my Discord server in case you have any questions left. And I guess see you next video.